The Buell Hammerhead 1190 is not just another superbike. It's a statement of pure American engineering and performance heritage, built to deliver adrenaline-pumping thrills every time you twist the throttle. At its heart lies a ferocious 1,190 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-Twin engine, producing an astonishing 185 horsepower and 101.6 lb-ft of torque, numbers that put it squarely in the league of the most powerful sport bikes in the world. This is a machine designed to dominate both the track and the open road, with razor-sharp precision and relentless acceleration that pushes the limits of what's possible on two wheels. The Hammerhead's aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for looks. It's been meticulously crafted for optimal airflow, stability at high speeds, and minimal drag, allowing the rider to slice through the wind with ease. Its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and distinctive Buell styling make it an absolute head-turner wherever it goes, commanding attention before the engine even roars to life. Buell's engineering focus has always been on mass centralization and rider control, and the Hammerhead 1190 is the ultimate embodiment of that philosophy. The bike features a unique fuel-in frame design, keeping the center of gravity low and improving handling dynamics. The chassis is incredibly rigid yet lightweight, giving the Hammerhead a planted feel in corners while maintaining lightning-fast responsiveness. Whether carving through twisty back roads or leaning hard into a racetrack apex, this motorcycle inspires confidence with its precise feedback and balanced geometry. The fully adjustable suspension from Showa allows riders to dial in the perfect setup for any riding style, whether that's aggressive track sessions or comfortable long-distance sport riding. Braking performance is equally exceptional, thanks to Buell's signature single-perimeter front brake rotor paired with an 8-piston caliper, delivering immense stopping power with minimal fade. This innovative setup reduces unsprung weight for better handling, while still providing the kind of braking force you'd expect from a top-tier superbike. The rear brake complements the system perfectly, giving the rider full control in any situation. Add to that a race-derived slipper clutch and a smooth, precise 6-speed transmission, and the Hammerhead 1190 offers an engaging yet refined riding experience. Electronics and rider aids are kept focused and purposeful, catering to purists who value a direct connection to the machine without unnecessary distractions. With selectable riding modes, advanced traction control, and a high-performance ECU, the Hammerhead adapts to changing road conditions while still delivering that raw, mechanical thrill that defines the Buell spirit. The lightweight wheels and sticky performance tires ensure maximum grip, translating every ounce of that V-Twin power to the asphalt with authority. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomics strike a fine balance between agra